I wanted to ask you about a significant decision that you made in the last couple of days. You commuted the sentence of the I-70 truck driver Rogel Mederos from 110 years down to 10 years. Judge A. Bruce Jones was in the process of reconsidering the sentence at the time. He just said in a filing that the timing of your decision lacked respect for the judicial process. Why didn't you let it play out before you intervened?
Because previous legislature and previous governor signed the law that forced a judge to do that. That was the early 1980s. We can remedy that because it was caused by past governor, past legislature. We can end, and we did, this kind of whole circus and drama around this. We wanted to end the circus around it, end the drama around it, and cut to an end that fixed the problem with the law. And we hope to work with Republicans and Democrats to fix this law. It shouldn't fall to governors to do this sort of thing. We should have the flexibility in the law for judges to have sentences that work regardless of what the prosecutor is seeking.
What's going on, Mother Truckers? So I had so many Mother Truckers ask me, why did the governor of Colorado reduce Rogel Mederos' sentence to 10 years from 110? Truth be told, honestly, I just listened to it. He said it was the drama. He didn't want to hear the drama. He said, let's take it into our own hands and let's just reduce it. And he said he talked to the victims' families, and 95% of them, they were okay with that. So he just did it so that it would just kind of go away. Now, the judge says that, that was kind of disrespectful because it should have went through the court systems. But with that said, what are your thoughts, Mother Truckers? A lot of people felt that it was excessive, but for the reasoning, just because he didn't want the drama anymore, is that a good reason? Yes or no? Comment down below. Here's the full link. I'll put it down in the pinned comment so you guys can listen to this.